And then kisses.
Kisses!
Sniff.
Humping.
And today we have our question of the day.
What kind of question did we receive this time?
Then, good day, FUWAMOCO.
Good day!
Q, how do you communicate to cats? Do you go... Or do you go... Or... Nyang, 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 nyang. Or... Meow, 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 meow. Or just... bow, bow.
Maybe ours is a little bit different. We
Yeah.
go, how do we go?
Hi. Yeah.
Go.
Cat, cat. Come here, come here. Just like that.
Yeah.
Muffin. You don't do that. You don't do that.
It works well.
It's not kissy.
No.
That's how you call the cat to you. You do the same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No,
Right.
Just like that.
Just like that, and it works.
It works. It works. Do you believe us, Muffins? If you were a cat, would it work? Huh? Teach us again.
Wait.
Huh?
I can't remember. I need a cat here.
Yeah. It works. It works.
It works.
Oh, yeah. Only sometimes doesn't work. But maybe that's because they didn't hear us, huh?
Or maybe because we're chasing them.
Maybe. That's how we communicate to cats. And then kisses.
Kisses!
And sniffs.
Humping.
Bow bow! Eating isn't part of the communication, right?
No.